Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? My name is Teacher Nyalusi. Today on this video, let us discuss the so-called integer, one of the most difficult topics for the pupils. So, it is mathematics, and the topic is integer, integers. And we will go specifically on how to take away integers. Now, let us have an example here. Let us solve this example. You will know the easiest way how to solve this one. Example, let's say negative 3 take away positive, let's say 3 again. Positive 3 again. Hey, I know most of us, we would like to have an answer as is 0. Why? Because we see here a negative, take away positive, we think maybe they can cancel each other to have 0. But the answer there is no, not even close to 0. So what you are supposed to do, first of all, you have to remember the rule of mathematics. The rule of multiplication of integers. Remember, I told you on the previous video that if you see something like this, you have to understand this one. You can divide this one first of all. Divide this one. How to solve this one? Divide this one into 2 parts. We can call this one part A and this one part B. So I will consider them as pockets of the trouser, This is pocket A and pocket B of the trouser. Now, this pocket can have either negative or positive. Pocket A can have either negative or positive. Here also, negative or positive. So pocket A here, I will take the number before the sign there. I will take this number here. So always, rule number 1, take this number here. Before the 2 signs which follow along themselves, take this number here. Here is negative 3. And there you remain with the negative, positive 3. Take the way they are, which is positive, negative 3. You see this one? Because now the problem here is we have 2 signs, positive and negative. We don't know. Here we are having only 1 sign. We need here to be single sign and here also to be single sign. So we need to combine these 2 signs to make sure we are having 1 sign. You see these 2 signs? We need 1 sign. How to combine them? We will multiply them. Remember, I told you on multiplying integers, positive multiply negative. So positive multiply negative, our answer is going to be negative. You see this one? So if your answer is going to be negative, it means here the positive times negative, the answer is negative. So here is negative 3. Okay? These processes will help you now to know here is negative 3 and here is negative 3. Remember, the negative and the negative, we consider them, or we call them a debt to be paid. So this one is a debt. Yani, you have to pay this money. Someone says that I need my money. So debt. Also negative is another debt. Here now is what the so-called reasoning needs to be applied. What is reasoning? Reasoning is if pocket A, I have negative 3. I'm the one who is having pocket A. I have to pay 3 in pocket A. Pocket B, the same thing. I have to also to pay negative 3. So it means the combination of these 2 negatives will give me total of negative. So total of 3 and the 3 again is 6. 6, that one. But remember, it is negative and also another negative. So the answer is negative 6. So even the answer you have negative 3 negative 3 minus positive 3, the answer is negative 6. I know you wanted to say, oh, it's supposed to be 0. No, it's not 0. The answer is negative 6. Okay, if you understood what I did here, I will give you an assignment. Do it on yourself, do it on your own. Leave comment there. If you become the first one to get the answer, you will have your gift. And you just write a comment there. Negative 4 plus negative 9. You see this one? Tell me the answer. in description below. The first one to win, you have your prize or gift. My name is Teacher Nyalusi. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel. If you don't subscribe today. Probably you won't see me forever. Bye.